Years ago, before financial services centralization, anyone could set up a bank to serve customers. Now, Banks.com is transforming the banking industry through decentralization and creating the world's largest crypto bank network. Banks.com is a revolutionary digital blockchain banking community where anyone passing AML checks, individual, business, or charity, can launch their own full-branded, profitable bank with a few clicks. Banks.com will be sharing EU and international banking licenses among Banks.com banks within a rules-based, completely secure system, and providing efficiencies through automation and AI with all back-office needs managed. Banks.com offers attractive, cutting-edge crypto and fiat banking services, creating an international banking community for the blockchain era. Support us in bank decentralization, contribute to our ICO, and launch your own Banks.com bank. The Banks.com pre-sale registration is underway now. Please go to Banks.com to create your account. The highly limited BXX token pre-sale starts on the 14th of March 2018 with a 25% discount for members only. Thank you for your support of Cryptobank decentralization. Please share this video to claim a bonus. More details on Banks.com.